Hello guys, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to share with you this rechargeable vacuum cleaner, and this is the box. Okay, they have some specification here. We have white and awareness. Awareness is rechargeable. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Okay, inside there's an instruction manual. This USB charging cable, extend this unit, and with a brush. Here's a brush. Okay, here's the unit with a backpack bag. Okay, you can do like this. Put here. We put here. Okay, you can check the unit. Press on switch. And here is dustbin here. Inside is filter, changeable filter. And here you can see the fan and the union fan. Okay, and this is charging cable, charging like this. Okay, so when charging, this is red color. When full charge, this turn to green color. Okay, so what do you think of this model? If you like it, just send me questions. Okay, one more thing, let's check the unit length. Three six five with extension number. 406. Okay, so if you like it, just send me inquiry. Thanks for watching.